calling concerning an accident that my mother was involved in 2015. And she recently, she passed shortly after the accident, 6 months after the accident, but she had assigned an attorney to take her case. She was riding in a Medicaid transportation vehicle and was hit from behind. And it's been since 2015, and I'm not getting enough feedback from my attorney to know if the case is ongoing or have the case just been closed or what. I can't get any information from my attorney. What do I do at this point?
Cynthia, when was the wreck in 2015? What month?
It was in June of 2015.
Okay.
Well, sorry to hear about your mother, Cynthia, and here's what I would say is that, you know, they have a case, but the attorney has a duty to keep them reasonably informed. Now, that doesn't mean that they have to call you every day. It doesn't mean they have to write you a letter every day, but I mean, at reasonable times in the case, and that can be every month, or it can be every 4 or 5 months if nothing's going on with the case, they need to let you know. What scares me about the attorney not communicating with you when it sounds like it was a fairly straightforward rear-end wreck is that sometimes attorneys miss a deadline and they don't want to tell their clients, and that's a huge mistake. That's making a bad situation worse. Johnny, you want to talk about what you can do?
The biggest issue I have with what you're going through right now is your statute of limitations is potentially coming up. If it hasn't already run, if it's a 3-year statute, it's going to be this June, the date of the wreck, right before. So I would definitely try to get to the bottom of whether he's actually filed the lawsuit and protected that statute. If not, then I would probably start looking for another attorney because there's no reason for the lawsuit not to have been filed by now.
And if it's a state agency, you know, did she say a Medicaid ban? It could be, you know, a 1-year statute.
That
so
could be,
I'm hoping that the attorney filed the suit, but she needs to talk to somebody and at least get a second opinion at this point.
Yeah, definitely.